Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're talking about Vietnamese visas. Occasionally I do a little bit of not very in depth, but I just like to kind of check in on other countries around the region with respect to immigration policy, because many people that travel here to Thailand, especially long-term tourists or even short-term tourists, they like to hop around the region. Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam, in the old days Myanmar, not so much Myanmar at the minute, Philippines, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia is becoming increasingly popular, I've noticed. So, people kind of jump around. So occasionally I like to do just kind of a check-in. And I was reading a recent article from evnexpress.net, that's e.vnexpress.net. The article was titled, Southeast Asian Countries Race to Attract Wealthy Foreign Tourists for Longer Stays. A lot of information in there and kind of comparative about sort of different immigration options for different destinations out here. But I thought this was interesting, small excerpt. I urge those who are watching this video, go read that in detail. But the excerpt, quoting directly, while Southeast Asian neighbors are vying for wealthy foreigners by launching quote-unquote golden visas with maximum stays of up to 20 years, Vietnam still makes no headway with its one-month visa policy. Yeah, that's my understanding. Presently, except in limited context, like a business context is my understanding, Vietnam doesn't really have anything quite akin to, for example, Thailand's non-immigrant visa categories, even their one-year visas. Also, my understanding, there's no retirement visa in Vietnam. So again, retirees, I know a lot of folks that rather enjoy spending time over in Vietnam, but I've been told many times dealing with visas is kind of an ongoing issue. It's my understanding it's not necessarily a headache depending on where you are, but yeah, dealing with long-term status, it's something that kind of has to be constantly maintained. Again, contrast that here in Thailand, we've got a retirement visa category, either the O or the OA, can get you a one-year visa and renewable on a yearly basis. Meanwhile, you're dealing with, we've also got these new long-term residency visas, kind of a misnomer, it doesn't really provide residence, 10 years lawful status. And then you've got things like the Thailand Elite program where you can literally just buy up to 20 years in status here in the kingdom. So the thing to take away from this video is, I hear a lot of grumbling from time to time, and I do get it. I've before I naturalized Thai citizenship, I dealt with immigration. It is a grumble. It's just something, it's kind of a hassle, something you got to deal with. But for all the grumbles we have here in Thailand, understand there are other jurisdictions in this region that don't have near the options with respect to immigration status that Thailand has.